tofu, which is nami. It has a similar pronunciation to yummy, and because it's catchy and easy to remember. Pinky splash means it gives a new experience to customer. Okay, for the background, color background, which is we have pink, yellow and blue. Okay, for the yellow, we know it's our pineapple our pineapple is yellow, so we know pineapple is yellow, and pineapple is one of the main ingredient in our Hawaiian dumpling. Okay, for the company background, vision and mission for the mission to be a leading company in the halal frozen food market at the global player with a high level of innovation and quality in our product. For the mission, to provide consumer with the innovative food product without neglecting quality, taste and nutrition, which is healthy dumpling that created from the finest ingredient. Okay, it also can give us a fresh, sweet and sour sensation taste. It also can be served as for the party, high tea, snack and healthy because it has source of vitamin C and low in saturated fat. Utilization of pineapple paste, which is it can be processed into pineapple powder and incorporated into skin of Hawaiian dumpling. Cheap, it only costs RM4.90. Convenient, it easy to prepare and minimal cooking. Versatility, which is it can be prepared for a lot of occasion.
So this is the list of ingredients used on Hawaiian dumpling. The main ingredient is the pineapple, and the pineapple will be ground into a finest powder and then will be incorporated into the skins. For the filling, the highest ingredients is a pineapple cubes, followed by the minced chicken and other vegetables. This is the overall processing flow of Hawaiian dumpling. First of all, the pineapple powder was processed and prepared. Then, the thin sheets of dumpling skin were prepared. The filling of dumpling were pre-cooked and cooled down at room temperature for about 45 minutes. The filling was then stuffed into the dumpling skin, which each dumpling skin weighed at 7 grams and shaped into the half moon using a dumpling mold. All the filled dumplings were steamed for 15 minutes and after that fast frozen in a blast freezer for about 30 minutes at -30 degrees Celsius. Then the dumplings were arranged in a plastic tray for about 10 pieces each and packed into a PET packaging. The final product will store at below -18 degrees Celsius in a freezer. Now let's see the video of how the Hawaiian dumpling is processed. Discuss here. The first one, the color, shape, texture and thickness is the most important criteria discussed for the physical properties. We can see here that most of the chemical properties are important and are more related to the chemical composition of the pineapple, such as the furanol, terpenes and the bromelain. For the sensory evaluation, acceptance tests are used in this sensory test to determine which are the most accepted formulation by the 10 panelists, either sample A, which is 2% of pineapple core powder, or sample B, which is 5% of pineapple core powder. In this case, 6 sensory attributes are discussed, such as odor, color, shape, size, texture, flavor, such as sweet and sour. We can see here the overall acceptability of the Hawaiian dumplings. The sample A, which is the 2% of pineapple cocoa powder, are most accepted formulation by the 10 panelists. In terms of nutrient content, our product claim two things, which are it is low in saturated fat and can be source of a vitamin C.
So for the product safety, there is only one CCP that we can detect it throughout the processing process, and it is the cooking of the minced chicken. And as you can see, this is the CCP of the cooking minced chicken that need to be taken. And for the product stability and shelf life, the storage condition for frozen food are negative 80 degrees Celsius or below, and it must be kept in the freezer. Why it is need to be negative 80 degrees Celsius? It is because it is the temperature at which the enzymes and bacteria stop growing, and also since it is the typical frozen storage temperature to avoid microbial contamination and deterioration. So since Hawaiian dumpling is a frozen food, the maximum shelf life, if we carry in proper storage condition, could be sustained up to 6 months. But in quality, we encourage to store up to 3 months, because if it is keep more than 3 months, then the frozen dumpling might get freezer burn, and also it might deteriorate in sensory qualities, especially in flavor and texture, and the overall stability of the product is low. Packaging design of our Hawaiian dumpling, and this is the front side view of our secondary packaging, the back side view, and the edge side view. So for our primary packaging, we choose individual tray that were made from polypropylene, and this is the factors the reason why we choose the polypropylene. And for our secondary packaging, we choose PET and PE film, and these are the reasons why we choose this type of material for our secondary packaging.
We move on to the packaging labeling. So the labeling on the front side of plastic packaging consists of company's name and logo, product name, product description in by language, product claims, serving size, product weight, using instruction, storage instruction, and serving suggestion. Next, the labeling on the back side of plastic packaging consists of cooking instruction, nutritional information, storage instruction, company address and contact information, made in Malaysia logo, product barcode, manufacturing date and expiration date, and product details. And the last one, the labeling on the side of plastic packaging consists of product ingredients and product description. Alright, this is the costing for our product, which is RM8.46 for 30 portion or 864 gram of cooked yield. So it comes out as 28 cents per portion. This is the costing for the packaging, which is 36 cents for total cost of packaging, and the selling price is RM4.90 for one packet of Hawaiian dumpling, which consists of 10 pieces of dumpling. So this is the comparison of selling price between Hawaiian dumpling and competitors, and it comes out as our product is the most affordable and the most cheaper compared to the other products, which is only RM4.90 per 10 pieces. So there are 4 marketing strategies that we use to promote our product, which include local supermarket, social media, joint food events, and product review. Firstly, we can sell our product at the local supermarkets or local store, or also set up a tasting booth to give introduction to the consumer to try out our products. Next, we also can collaborate with famous online individuals like Insta famous, Tweet famous to endorse the product and to create product awareness. Third, we can use social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and so on as venues to showcase and sell product. And the last one, we also can join festival and expo to present and sell the product to the public view, it is a great way to network and meet possible distributor or reseller, not only for the local markets but also for the foreign as well. So that's all from our group. Thank you.